Hey everybody, welcome back to Then We Eat. Being a Super Bowl coming up pretty soon, we thought we'd do another appetizer. So this week on the channel, I'll be making firecracker shrimp. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the sauce to go with the shrimp. We'll do it first before we cook them, so let's get on with that. First thing we have, half a cup of sweet chili sauce. To that we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of sriracha. This is our homemade sriracha. You can check out the video over here if you want to see how we make it. So after the sriracha, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You can also use rice wine vinegar if you like. Teaspoon of lime juice. About a clove of crushed garlic. A little more never hurts. Teaspoon of soy sauce. And finally, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. So I'll just give that a little mix up. Cornstarch might get a little clumpy, just keep stirring it around, it'll eventually sort its stuff out. Okay, so there's their sauce done. We're just gonna set it aside, get on with the shrimp. Okay, so the shrimp have been, we've taken the shells off, we've deveined them, and we've patted them dry with a paper towel. We have about 24 shrimp here, so they're good to go. So the next thing we're gonna do is just gonna make a little dredge for the shrimp. Got a couple of tablespoons of cornstarch, about a teaspoon or so of garlic powder, and then about a half a teaspoon each of salt, and the same with pepper. So let's give that a little bit mix up, and we'll throw in some of the shrimp. Okay, so just give them a good toss, make sure they all get coated. All right, so we're gonna heat up a frying pan. We're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we'll just let that heat up. Now, one thing about cooking shrimp, we're only gonna cook them for 2 or 3 minutes. If you cook them much longer, they start to get a little bit rubbery, so you wanna try and just cook them till they're pink and they start to curl up. Stop there. The other thing when cooking the shrimp, make sure that you only put enough in the pan that it covers it. Don't heap them all in. They'll cook a lot better. So you may have to do this in 2 batches depending on the size of your pan. All right, so let's get a few in the pan. So just keep an eye on them. Make sure that they're not going to overcook. They can cook pretty quick. Our pan's a little cool, so they should go actually pretty damn good right now. And that's about the color you're looking for right there. Just leave those for a second longer. Looks like we got a few of them ready, so we'll get them out of there. There. There's our first batch done. We'll get the second batch in. And just keep a close eye on these as well. Okay, so we're going to add the rest of the shrimp back into the pan. And give our sauce another mix. Okay, so we'll just give that a couple minutes just to kind of thicken up a bit. Make sure you got a little sauce and all the different shrimp. Okay, so once you got the sauce thickened up, as you can see, it's much thicker than it was. You can pull that off the heat and we can get ready to plate it up. So just give us a sec, we'll clean up a bit and get a plate in the go. So we have a couple of green onions here. I'm just going to give them a quick chop. We'll use it as a garnish on top of our shrimp. All right, so let's plate these up. So we'll get the shrimp out, get them on the plate first. Try to hold back the sauce till the end. We'll just spoon a little of the sauce over top. Something like that. I think that's enough. Enough for me anyway. And then just finish it off with a little green onion. So there you have it. Firecracker shrimp. Quick, easy, really tasty, great for Super Bowl. So let's get them a taste, see how we did today. Oh yeah, really good. Nice little kick from the sriracha. Nice sweet flavor coming in behind, and that little bit of onion just sets it off perfectly. These are really, really tasty. They do have a kick. So if you're not into hot food, you may want to cut back on the sriracha a bit. We like it. It's perfect. So that's it for this video. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to share it with all your buddies. And hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you're notified every time we upload a new video. We upload a new video every Friday afternoon. And we also put the recipe in the description below. So thanks for watching. And don't forget, first we cook, then we eat. So good.